Don't know where to thrift shop this quarantine? I got you. Keep on watching. What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear like me, then this channel is for you. So make sure to subscribe. So now let's start with this video. So as you can see sa title, I will be showing you where I thrift online during quarantine. So I will be talking about 3 platforms today, which I personally use when I thrift shop online. And my first platform is Facebook. So there are 2 places where you can thrift shop on Facebook. And first is sa mga Facebook group. So I will be showing you yung mga Facebook groups na pinupuntahan ko para mag-thrift shop. So first is itong Thrift Market Streetwears. So there, as you can see, they're selling Trasher hoodies, Ralph Lauren sweaters, Champion sweaters. So let's try to search an item on the Facebook group. Let's try Nike windbreaker. So there, as you can see, ang daming windbreakers. Look at this one, oh, super nice. Vintage Nike windbreaker, 1,200 pesos na lang. Good deal. Ganda nung design. Half zip siya, so super nice. So there, you can join itong mga thrift na Facebook group. So you can search for something you want to buy, especially yung mga Nike, Champion, mga vintage na mga items. And if you're from Davao, meron rin itong Facebook group where I also check para mas malapit at mas mura ang shipping sa akin. Ang name ng group is Streetwear Davao. So there, as you can see, dami rin nagbebenta mga thrift items dito. So let's search for Supreme. So there are people who are selling Supreme hats, Supreme shirts. This one's nice, oh. I'm not sure it's really 123 pesos, but you can also message them if you're interested on an item like this one. Hi, is this still available? And just wait for their reply. So the next group I will be showing you is Vintage Market PH. So there, this is the group. Ang daming nalang cool na, wow, itong Starboy merch. Ganda. So let's search here. I will search Tupac or Biggie. Oh, there, oh, ang dami nagbebenta na Tupac shirts and Biggie shirts. Oh, this one's cute, oh. And then you can just message the sellers directly to ask them kung available pa, and if kung walang price, you can ask them kung how much it is. So there, now I will show you the second place where you can thrift shop on Facebook, and that is on the Facebook Marketplace, of course. So there, we are now on the Facebook Marketplace. So I will be searching Champion hoodie. Let's see kung maraming ayun! Ang dami nagsasell ng mga Champion hoodies. Like ito, 1,234. Meron ito, 750 pesos lang. Let's check it out. And also, don't forget, if you want to look for authentic na item, don't be shy to ask the seller if it's authentic. And if they say yes, you can also have it double-checked on Facebook groups kung talagang legit yung item. Ang tawag dun is legit check. So you can tell the seller na, can I have this legit checked? Para to be sure, and then when people are commenting na legit siya, then you can proceed with your purchase. So there. And like this one, nakalagay dito, legit 100% can pass as brand new, negotiable. So you can message them, like written ako, I will message the girl, the seller. So there, ganon siya. So that's for Facebook. Then let's go to my second platform. So before I get to the second platform, I will show you items na na-thrift ko sa Facebook. So first is this STUSSY bucket hat. I got this from the Facebook groups. So there, you just search STUSSY bucket hat, or sometimes pwede ka mag-post doon, hi guys, I'm looking for a STUSSY bucket hat, and then people will comment below. Tapos I had it legit checked as well, so legit naman siya. So this was a super great and good deal. So thank you to the seller. So this next item, I also got it from the Facebook Marketplace. And it's this STUSSY hoodie. Super cute, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. I also had it legit checked, and it's legit. I got it from a very sobrang bait na seller, and she also has a Instagram shop. Please check her out. readygetdressed.ph. Thanks, girl! The second platform I used to thrift shop online during quarantine is on Instagram. Maraming thrift shops nasa Instagram. I'm telling you.
Oh, really? Awesome!
And I'll be showing you 3 or maybe 4 Instagram thrift shops that I follow on Instagram. So let's go with the first Instagram thrift shop, sg.strong. So there, this is their Instagram page. Nakabili na ako sa kanilang ganda ng mga items nila. Oh, look at this Carhartt no hoodie. Super nice. Ay, benta na pala. Hanap tayo ng mga available nila. Let's check out their hashtag. Okay, so like itong Jordan no hoodie, it's only 1,200 pesos and good as new ang condition niya. So, super good deal. So, I will be showing you an item that I got from SG Strong. So, it is this Nike sweater. Yeah! Thank you so much. It's super comfy and I love it so much. And, ooh, look! Pin and out! If you guys want some good sneaker pins, please check them out. The best sila, the best. So, there. The next Instagram thrift shop I will be showing you is, para to sa mga taga Davao,
I won with it. I made peace with myself at one with it.
Petty Plain Thrift. So, ito ang Instagram account nila. And, ayan o, they just posted new items. Ooh! They have, oh, reserve na ito. Mabilis talaga kasi sobrang good deal ang mga thrift items nila. Look at this. Ito, may STUSSY sila na shirt. Reserve na din. Ang dami talaga mahilig mag-thrift. Let's see if we get lucky. Carhartt shirt. Sold! Pero tingnan nyo naman kasi talaga, guys. Ang ganda mga items nila, parang brand new pa. And look at this, itong Carhartt na cap. Sobrang nice. I love it. I love it. Sold.
Bruh.
Bakit ang bagal ko? Bakit? So, pag ganito, guys, kung meron na kayo fina-follow ng mga thrift shops, i-on nyo na lang yung notification bell nila sa post nila or sa stories. So, you'll be one of the first people to bid and to get the item that you want.
Mine.
If you're from Davao also, I also follow this Instagram shop. Sobrang bait nung seller. Ang name ng Instagram shop nila is apparel.ph. So, ito yung Instagram shop nila. Look at this Balenciaga shirt. Wow, so nice. Look at this colorway. 950 pesos na lang, guys.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh. Balenciaga.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna message you later. Actually, kakabili ko rin sa kanila nung champion ko na sweater. Pero sinaship pa siya dito. So, can't wait for it. Can't wait. Makatipid talaga kayo on thrift items kasi kaysa magbili kayo ng mga brand new na super pricey, at least makasave kayo at you still have the quality of the item and it's still legit, guys. It's vintage pa. So, just to thrift shopping.
What was that?
So, there. And guys, don't worry, if you're not from Davao, they ship naman nationwide, so you can still order from them. The next thrift IG shop I'll be showing you is sunsetboulevard.mnl. So, ito ang Instagram account nila. Wow, ang dami nilang bagong drops. Oh, ooh, look at that Gap sweater. Super nice. Oh, itong trasher shirt. Oh, ang ganda. Steal price, 680 pesos. Guys, punta na kayo dito. Punta na kayo. Baka maunahan pa kayo. So, ayan. Yan yung mga thrift shops that I follow on Instagram. If you guys know more, please comment below and hit your girl up so we can check out those thrifted items. Yes! So, tip rin pala, guys. If you see sa description ng thrift item na tinitingnan nyo, may nakalagay doon na off, O-F-F, ang meaning niyan is replica. Just to let you guys know. So now let's go to my third platform. The third platform that I use to thrift shop online during quarantine is on Carousel. If you guys don't know what Carousel is, Carousel is a buy and sell app. I have been using Carousel for almost 4 years now, and they are the best.
Interesting.
If you guys want to declutter, this is the best app for you. You can sell your items on the app, and it is also a very good platform to thrift shop as well. Oh, and if you guys remember OLX, Carousel na po siya ngayon. So, please download the Carousel app. So, now I will be showing you the Carousel app. So, we are now on the Carousel app. It's so easy to search for an item on Carousel. All you need to do is click on the search Carousel bar and place the item you are looking for. So, I will put STUSSY. And let's see. There, oh. Ooh, a lot of people are selling. Ooh, look at this STUSSY Coach jacket. Ooh, and guys, please be a responsible buyer as well. Before you buy something, you can check out the page. Pretend like me, I like this item. I check the profile of the seller first and check out the reviews. So there, as you can see, okay naman yung reviews ng seller. So I'll go back to the item and then I'll make an offer. As you can see, you can negotiate the price. Pero wag naman sana yung mga super low na, guys. Cause wag naman tayong maging low. Wag naman tayong maging low ballers, guys. So, like me, I made an offer for the price she already posted, which is 900. It's that easy. Sobrang dali lang. So, there. Pag ganyan, I'll just wait for the reply of the seller kung i-accept niya yung offer ko. Ooh, look at this STUSSY shirt. Oh, nice. Make an offer? No na, Daniel, no. Stop. So, there, ang daming STUSSY. Now, I will search for Carhartt. So, let's search for Carhartt. Ooh, look at these hoodies. And if you want to look pala for a pretend hindi top ang hanap mo is Carhartt na pants. Go to the categories, women's fashion, clothes, and then just put pants, jeans, and shorts. So there, walang Carhartt for women's. Oh well, it's okay. I understand.
I see you. We good.
So there, it's that easy to thrift shop on Carousel. I love it so much. And if you guys want to see my Carousel page, this is my Carousel page. Ang name is Heritage Manila. Actually, nakuha ko yung name kasi heritage with an edge. Yes. I made that.
It's beautiful.
So please follow me on Carousel if you haven't yet. So here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that bracing. I sell some of my pre-loved items here. So, ayan o, may mga shoes. So, check nyo na lang. And that's the 3 platforms I use to thrift shop online during quarantine. Guys, don't forget to be a responsible buyer. And sa mga seller dyan, please let your buyer know about the condition of the item. And if it is not authentic, please let them know as well para hindi magkuproblema yung transaction nyo. So there. Happy thrifting!
Yes, queen!
And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Kung meron pa kayong alam ng mga thrift shops online na hindi ko na-mention sa video na to, please comment them down below so I can check them out. And if you haven't followed me on my socials, please follow me at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'll post another video. See you then! Dani out!